Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp marag. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget 1 large onion and 2 ripe tomatoes, both finely chopped. Gather your spices, including turmeric and chili powder, to build those authentic flavors. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they become soft and mushy. It's time to introduce those wonderful spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder to the pot. Stir well and cook for about 30 seconds, allowing the spices to become aromatic. Now, gently add your peeled and deveined shrimp. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful pink color, ensuring they remain tender. To finish our delicious shrimp marag, pour in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, which adds a lovely richness. Season with salt to taste and a pinch of garam masala for an extra layer of flavor. Let the marag simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.